Alright, so in this video we want to continue getting some practice with probability and combinations. So I encourage you, these problems are almost the same as the last one, so I encourage you to pause it and give them a try. Remember, probability is going to be a fraction of what we want to happen over what could happen. And let's start with what could happen. So there's going to be something down here with a combination. We just have to figure out what these numbers are. Okay, and here the bottom of a fraction is what could happen. It's the broadest possible thing. So it's not, it has nothing to do with whether the buttons, you can read this, we're talking about you have a certain number of black and brown buttons. If you pick 7, what's the chance that 5 are black? On the bottom of this fraction, we don't care about black or brown or any of that stuff. We just want to know the total number of items and how many are the total that we're choosing. Okay, so the total number of items, well, you tell me there's 10 black and there's 5 brown. So that means there are 15 total items. And what could happen? Well, we're 15 items. We're choosing 7. It says 7. And again, picked doesn't mean permutation. Picked is just another way of saying selected. So what could happen? There are 15 choose 7 ways that we could pick 7 buttons from a total of 15. Okay, then up here we want to choose 5 black. And remember, because we're choosing 7 buttons, if 5 of them are black, then that means the other 2, because 5 plus 2 is 7, the other 2 will have to be brown. Okay, so we're going to have to multiply this right here. So how could the thing with the black happen? There are 10 blacks, and we want to choose 5 of them. So that's going to be 10 choose 5. And then the browns, okay, it looks like there are 5 browns, and we are going to be choosing 2 of them. And again, let's just check, like we mentioned before, 10 and 5 should equal 15, and it does. And 5 plus 2 should be 7, and it does. So you take that and you plug that number into your calculator. Make sure you put the parentheses correctly, and you should wind up getting 0.39, so 39.161. Alright, the next problem is talking about songs on your playlist. So same idea, same setup. How many total songs? We have 14 total songs, and we are choosing to listen to 7 of them. So 14 choose 7, that's what could happen. Okay, and then what we want is we want 3 country songs. And remember, we're listening to 7 songs total, so that means if 3 of them are country, the other 4 have to be pop songs. So how many ways could the country part happen? Well, we have 8 total country, and we are choosing 3 of them. So 8 choose 3 times we have 6 total pop songs. And how did I know that we're choosing 4 of them? Because this number and that number have to add up to 7. So whatever that turns out to be, when you plug that in a calculator, will be your answer. And it looks like it's 24.5% approximately if you round.